Hi, I'm Jess from Crewe Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have the vibrant Audi A3 Sportback Edition 1 35 TFSI with the 150 PS, finished in the beautiful Python yellow metallic, complemented with its 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels, matrix LED headlights and LED rear lights which are really illuminating. Enough room inside the boot for 3 small suitcases to be placed in, and the rear interior is finished in the half leather half Alcantara combination. The front of the interior is complemented with beautiful inlays and the S-embossed front sport seats. The steering wheel features the virtual cockpit controls and the hands-free telephone controls. And using the left-hand side controls, this allows the driver to easily customise the different displays in their virtual cockpit, and you can also zoom in and out of the speedometer and rev counter depending what displays and designs you prefer. Over to the multimedia interface, we've got the DAB and FM radio stations, and you can also connect your smartphone via the Bluetooth for the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allows use of driver-safe apps such as Google Maps and Spotify. The car settings features the Audi Drive Select, allowing you to adjust from efficiency up to dynamic, as well as individually adjusting the drive system and steering. Further back, we have the driver's assist, which comes with speed warning, distance warning, and lots more. And with this being touchscreen, the satellite navigation system is extremely easy to use. It allows you to easily zoom in and out of the maps, and it provides you with quick and easy A-to-B route guidance to all your chosen destinations from any location. Just below them, we have the dual zone climate control unit, and the front seats are also heated. Below that, we have the 6-speed manual gearbox, as well as the 2 USB-C ports, the electronic handbrake, 2 cup holders and storage underneath the armrest suitable for a purse or wallet.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty and a minimum of 12 months roadside assistance, and for more information call us today on 01270 507070 or inquire online now.